Alright, beverage air, 3-door cooler, 1, 2, 3. Let's see, it's running 70 degrees, almost 90. Okay, got 3-door beverage air, 90 degrees. Temperature control is set to 38 or 34 rather. Excuse me. Clock looks like it's stuck in defrost. It is, or I just came when the unit's off. The unit's compressor's cold though. I don't think this thing has been running for. I think it's stuck in defrost. I'll have to check it out. Okay, we got all 3 fans working. Our 22 expansion valve. Looks like the refrigerant leak right now. Let's see what we got. Got anything on the other side? Huh? Go up. Go up. Okay, I set the clock at 1:30. Now like 1:40, 1:45. And it hasn't moved 1 iota. So I'm guessing the clock hopefully just died. Hoping that's all it is. See if we got any temp pulling down at all. Okay, 70 degrees, better than 90. It's cooling a little bit. Okay, so this unit flood expansion valve on this thing is opened up pretty good. It's 70 degrees in there. So, okay, I'm back with a new clock. Came back about 6:30 at night. Still reading 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon. This clock is definitely not turning. And I checked the voltage here at the motor. It's supposed to be 220, 240 at the motor. We got voltage, but no go. So let's change this little baby out. New clock going in. Okay guys, how to put a wire protector in a 1/2-inch KO when it's already full of wires, so you don't want to pull off all the wires. I'm going to try and do this on camera. See if I can do this. I don't think I can. Maybe I can. We'll see. Okay, here's your little 1/2-inch KO thingy. Take a pair of dikes or anything and just give it a snip. Put a split in. Oh shit. Don't drop it on the ground. Crap. Only when you're... Oh! Only when you're doing this. With one hand on camera will that happen. Okay. So preferably try to not do the split where it does that. You want to do it on just a regular flat plastic section. So So let's do one more in the right spot. Okay. So let's put it right there. See if I can do it and not be like a monkey fucking a football. Okay. There we go. I think that's what I want to hear. See, did it do it? I think it did. Oh shit. And I dropped that. Okay. That's two. Alright, got it. Just didn't go under the machine. One hand iPhoning. Alright, and then just take and put all the wires through it and then just stick it up in the hole. Alright. Alright, let's. Alright. Okay, and it's done. Just stick it up into there and put the split at the back where there's no wires. And just give it a turn around and there you go. Wires are all protected from being, so they don't rub out. Alright, click like on the video, subscribe, next button. Okay, new clock installed January 1st. Alright, time's all set, she's moving, she's satisfied. Sweet.